Okay, Mr. Jian. Now we are ready for the machine test running. You can see this is your carton samples. You can see we will test the cartons randomly. So you can see this is M4A size and this is P4A size, and here is P3A size. So we will test the cartons randomly. And you can see in the carton we have placed some steel block to imitate your real walking when the machine comes to your factory. The steel block is up about like 5 kilograms. So it is almost totally same when you are work in your factory, when the machine work in your factory. Okay. 哎，师傅呢？可以开始了，可以开始了。Okay, now we are waiting for our engineer come and we can start the machine running. 好，可以了。可以了。This is M4A size. Yes. First, we come to the middle side and the upper lamp folding. Now comes the next part is to the side sealing. Then comes to output. We are checking now. Now we are checking the quality of sealing results. 检查一下。Okay, you can see the sealing results pretty good. And here comes the next one. This is another size of carton, also same. Yes, different size. Okay. Now we're gonna have a overall view to check the machine, how the machine is running. Yes. Yes, we change another angle. This is the carton input angle. You can see the machine can adjust his width or height to meet the size of the carton, which is mean when the small carton come to the enter the machine, the height and the width will get smaller. When the bigger cartons enter the machine, then the width, the width and the height will be bigger. It is adjusted auto. auto adjusted machine for your samples. Okay, now the samples is finished.